Hi, Dex here with a quick video on how to play the riff for Virtual Insanity. This is what we are going to be learning. So the chords are up on the side there, and it might look a little bit complicated, but once you've worked out the pattern to it, it's actually relatively easy. Let's start with the left hand. So the first chord we're going to end up on is an E flat, and to get there you play the fifth first. So you play the B flat, and from here on you sort of follow the last note you played. So B flat to E flat, then you start on E flat to the A flat to the D flat to the G flat. So that's all black notes and they follow on from each other. So let's just do that again. So you've got the B flat to the E flat, E flat to the A flat to the D flat, D flat to the G flat. And then the last bit is using the F sharp to the C, F sharp to the B, and then F to the B flat. And then D flat D, so you're back to the beginning. So just speed that up a little bit. Okay, that's the left hand. Get that sorted first because it leads, each of the bass runs leads into the chord that you're playing. The first chord, the E flat minor 7, is just those notes. Let's put it back up again. So you're going 4 notes: B flat, D flat, E flat, G flat. The next chord, the A flat 7 sus4, you literally are moving one finger. So you're going from the D flat to the C. Next one, you're moving slightly more fingers. So you've got B flat, E flat, F and the A flat. Okay, so we do those first ones again. Now you're coming down to B flat, D flat, F and G flat. And then the last few, C minor 7 flat 5. So that's C, E flat, G flat. That's again just a one finger move. So C to the B. And the last one, the B flat 7 sharp 5, A flat, D and F sharp. So we've got that's all there is to it. Practice how one chord runs into the other and you'll have it under your fingers in no time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.